Tonight we're watching for the possibility of severe thunderstorms with damaging winds. Gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour are possible. Our model painting this picture at midnight. The storms generally moving to the north and to the west of us. I don't necessarily buy this. I wouldn't be surprised to see this area of storms displaced another 100 to 150 miles off to the south and to the southeast of what our model is going with. As we head towards 7:30 tomorrow, that moves off to the east, and this looks like a pretty accurate picture to me at 7:30 in the morning. Most of the activity by then should be over with. There could be a lingering shower, maybe a rumble at this time, but the rest of the afternoon on Tuesday is looking quiet and partly to mostly sunny. At 10:30 in the morning, you can see a couple of lingering showers. May flirt with the eastern thumb a little bit, but most of us will be dry and will stay dry for most of the day on Tuesday. At 5 o'clock, we just have partly cloudy skies. Looking ahead into Wednesday, we could actually have a few showers quickly move on through here shortly afternoon. Other than that, Wednesday just looks like a cooler day. For tonight, a low of 73 degrees, a very humid night, strong to severe thunderstorms with, again, damaging winds being the main threat, a possibility. Tomorrow, 86, a lingering shower storm before 9 a.m. will be possible. Otherwise, it just looks partly cloudy, breezy, and less humid. Cooler on Wednesday, a hit or miss shower possible, highs around 75. Wednesday night, cooler, down to 53, only 72 on Thursday with partly sunny skies, and all the way down into, get this, the upper 40s on Thursday night, a high of 77 degrees on the 4th. So it looks a little cooler than average for the holiday, but overall pretty pleasant with the mid to upper 70s. Highs will go back through the 80s, lower 80s at least on Saturday and Sunday, with lows at night getting a little bit warmer too. Will be around 59 by Saturday night and 62 on Sunday night. Monday's high 85, and that chance of storms will return.